Assalamualaikum everyone, we are from group 4 and today we are going to present a very important topic, the male reproductive system. Our group consists of 4 members which is AIMA SHAHREENA, NURATHIRAH HUSNA, MOHAMED and me, AINATUL NADIAH. So, for the introduction, the reproductive system is responsible for producing and fertilizing gametes, eggs or sperm, and carrying a fetus. In both sets, the gonads produce gametes. Let's explore some terms related to the male reproductive systems. The reproductive system consists of the organs of reproduction and their associated structures. These systems are essential for producing gametes and enabling reproduction. So, the first term we'll discuss is genitalia. Genitalia are divided into two. The first is the external genitalia, which refers to the reproductive organs that are located outside of the body. These external structures play an important role in reproduction and sexual activity. The second one is the internal genitalia, which includes the reproductive organs located within the body. These internal organs are critical for processes such as gamete production and in females for carrying a fetus. Now, let's shift our focus to another important term, the perineum. The anatomy of perineum depends on sex. In males, the perineum is the area that extends from the scrotum to the region around the anus. It forms parts of the pelvic floor and provides support to the surrounding reproductive structure. Next, we go to the functions of the male reproductive system. The functions of the male reproductive system include producing and maintaining sperm, as well as delivering them into the female reproductive system for fertilization to create a new life. It is also responsible for the production and secretion of male sex hormones. Additionally, it handles the production of sperm and semen along with the transportation of semen into the female reproductive tract.
Let's move on to the scrotum. The scrotum is the sac-like structure that surrounds, protects, and supports the testicle. The scrotum is suspended from the pubic arch behind the penis and lies between the thigh. The testicle, also known as testes, are the two small egg-shaped glands that produce the sperm. These glands develop within the abdomen of the male fetus and normally descend into the scrotum before or soon after birth. Sperm are formed within the seminiferous tubules of each testicle. The epididymis is a coiled tube at the upper part of each testicle. This tube runs down the length of the testicle, then turns upward toward the body. Here it narrows to the tube known as the vas deferens. The spermatic cord extends upward from the epididymis and is attached to each testicle. Each cord contains the vas deferens plus the arteries, veins, nerve, and lymphatic vessel required by each testicle. Next, talking about semen formation. Spermatogenesis is the process of sperm formation. Semen is the whitish fluid containing sperm that is ejaculated through the urethra at the peak of male sexual excitement. The term ejaculate means to expel suddenly. The scrotum aids in maintaining this temperature by adjusting how closely it holds the testicle to the body. The ideal temperature for sperm formation is 93.2 Fahrenheit.
Next is the penis. The penis is the male sex organ that transports the sperm into the female vagina. The penis is composed of 3 columns of erectile tissue. During sexual stimulation, the erectile tissue fills with blood under high pressure. This causes the swelling, hardness, and stiffness known as an erection. The glans penis, also known as the head of the penis, is the sensitive region located at the tip of the penis. The foreskin, also known as the prepuce, is a retractable double layer of skin and mucous membrane that covers and protects the glans penis. Next is the vas deferens, seminal vesicles, and the ejaculatory duct. The vas deferens, also known as the ductus deferens, are the long, narrow continuations of each epididymis. These structures leap upward and eventually join the urethra. The seminal vesicles are glands that secrete a thick yellow substance to nourish the sperm cells. This secretion forms 60% of the fluid found in semen. These glands are located at the base of the urinary bladder and open into the vas deferens as it joins the urethra. The ejaculatory duct, which begins at the vas deferens, passes through the prostate gland and empties into the urethra. During ejaculation, a reflex action caused by this duct, semen passes into the urethra, which exits the body via the penis.
Hi, I am AIMA SHAHREENA. As the last presenter, I would like to continue another three structures for male reproductive system. The first one is the prostate gland. It pronounced as prostate. It lies under the bladder and surrounds the end of the urethra in the region where the vas deferens enters the urethra. During ejaculation, the prostate gland secretes a thick, alkaline fluid into the semen that aids the motility of the sperm. The second one is the bulbourethral glands. It pronounced as bulbourethral. The two bulbourethral glands are located just below the prostate gland. One of these glands is located on either side of the urethra, and they open into the urethra. During sexual arousal, these glands secrete a fluid known as pre-ejaculate or precum. This fluid helps flush out any residual urine or foreign matter in the urethra. It also lubricates the urethra for sperm to pass through. This fluid can contain sperm and is able to cause pregnancy even if ejaculation does not occur. The last one is the urethra. It pronounced as urethra. The urethra is a fibrous and muscular tube which connects the urinary bladder to the external urethral meatus. Its length differs between the sexes because it passes through the penis in males. The urethra passes through the penis to the outside of the body. In the males, the urethra serves both reproductive and the urinary system. Females use their urethra only for urinating, but males use their urethra for both urination and ejaculation. To sum up, the male reproductive system comprises multiple parts, including the perothèse, the epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, ejaculatory ducts, and prostate. All these components serve to produce, transport, and deliver viable sperm to the female reproductive system, which allows for human reproduction. That is all from us. Thank you.